Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fold Tesla Model X seats. We'll go through the simple steps to transform your vehicle's interior, giving you much more room for cargo. Whether you need to transport large items or just want extra space, understanding these folding mechanisms is incredibly useful. It's a straightforward process that takes only a few moments to complete, significantly enhancing your Model X's versatility. Let's begin with the third row seats, which are quite simple to fold down. First, locate the small, round release buttons positioned on the top of each seat back. Once you press these buttons, gently push the seat back forward. It will smoothly fold down into the floor, creating a completely flat cargo area. Remember to ensure the headrests are fully lowered beforehand for the best result and maximum space. Now, moving to the second row seats, the process is primarily controlled through your vehicle's large touchscreen display. Navigate to the Controls menu, then select Seats to find the options for the second row. You can choose to fold them completely flat or adjust them for a specific cargo setup. The seats will then power fold forward, providing a vast amount of additional space for your larger items. To get the most out of your Model X's cargo capabilities, always double-check that there are no objects obstructing the seats before you begin folding. This prevents any potential damage to the seats or the folding mechanism. With both the second and third rows folded flat, you unlock an impressive 88 cubic feet of cargo space, making your Tesla Model X incredibly versatile for all your adventures and hauling needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.